sure you could go with a lot of different directions with this, but since you've been here, how much has Precision Agri Services grown, and what do you attribute that growth to? What are some of the biggest changes?
Okay. I mean, it's grown a lot. When I came on, I was employee number 4. You consider yourself? Yeah, I was number 4. So I was kind of the first dedicated technology guy in a way for the business. And since then, we have about 12 of us?
13 now.
13?
13, yeah.
14 of us now. Majority of that addition has all been on the technology team. One additional agronomist, from the very beginning on that side of things, but majority on the technology side of things. So business just expanded very, very fast and very rapid with the technology advancements in the industry. But for the longest time, it was me and another gentleman, Charlie Troxel, that worked together to help really grow that technology business. Took a lot of time, took a lot of hours. And then we just got to a certain point where you could only do so much. You needed to add more people to help you out. And service is the name of the game, which is what we built our business on. So we've kind of added other parts and pieces to the business since then to really help try to continue the service side of things to take care of our growers.